How to switch to practice mode on Trading 212. Are you trying to test trading without risking real money on Trading 212? Then that's exactly what practice mode is for. So let's get started and switch to the practice mode. First of all, launch open the Trading 212 application on your smartphone or tablet and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner, and from the menu options, scroll down and look for this switch to practice option in green. Just tap on that and then choose whether you'd like to practice invest or CFD. Right after you do that, you will be able to enable the practice mode. If you ever want to switch back to real mode, you can go to the top from this same menu and you will see that you are in a practice mode. Switch to real money. Just click on that little button and select one of the options and you'll be able to switching back to real trading as well. So that's how you can switch between practice to real account on Trading 212. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.